Hello, I'm Jessie DeMann, and this is my mini lesson. And it is for a first grade classroom. Mathematics is my subject, and my standard is identify quarters, dimes, nickels, and relate their values to pennies. So, I chose first grade because I have fond memories of first grade. I also want to teach in the elementary school system. So here is my lesson. Have you ever wanted to buy something? A special piece of candy, Mother's Day's coming up, a special gift for mom, or a special soda, a drink? Well, you need to know the value of a coin so you can buy that special piece of candy. We are going to be able to identify different coins and their values. This is a quarter. It has our first president, George Washington, on the front, and on the back it has a quarter, an eagle. It is silver in color, even though it is made up of copper and nickel. It is the biggest coin and the heaviest that we use today. Now, this one may be small, but it is worth 10 whole cents. It has our 32nd president, Franklin D. Roosevelt, on the front, and on the back it has a torch with tree branches on the sides. Dimes are silver in color. They are the smallest coin that we use currently, and they are made up of copper and nickel as well. They are also the lightest in weight that we use. This one may be bigger, but bigger than a dime, but it's only worth 5 cents. It's a nickel. And on the front of it, it has our third president, Thomas Jefferson. And on the back, it has Thomas Jefferson's home, Monticello. I hope I said that correctly. Now, nickels are also silver in color. They weigh more than a dime or a penny. And they are made up of copper and nickel. Now, don't forget about the penny. It is worth 1 whole cent. And on the front, we have our 16th president, Abraham Lincoln. And then on the back of it, we have the Lincoln Memorial that is up in Washington, D.C. It is brown and reddish in color. It is larger than a dime, but it's worth less than a dime. It is made up of zinc, and it is copper plated. That just means it's covered in a layer of copper. Now, have you ever watched a football game? And they flip the coin to see who goes first, who gets the ball first. And you hear the player yell out heads or tails, and whatever it lands on means they get the ball first. Heads refers to our president's heads on the front of the coin, and tails refers to the back of the coin, which has multiple different things. Now, right now, this activity, I want you guys to get a feel for it. In front of you, you have a quarter, dime, nickel, and a penny. I want you to get a feel for them. Now I want you to pick them up, feel them. Which one's the heaviest? That's right, the quarter is the heaviest coin that you have. How many coins are silver in color? That's right, 3 coins are silver in color. Now, can you feel it? Now, when you feel it, do you feel textures like ridges and bumps, or do you feel just smoothness? That's right, you should feel textures. Now, for this activity, I want you guys to take the bag of coins in front of you, separate them into the correct circles of the values. 5 cents, 10 cents, 25 cents, 1 cent. And once you're done separating them, I want you to build a tower out of each of those values. Now, how many do you have in each of those? How many pennies? How many nickels? How many quarters? How many dimes do you have? Now we're going to move on to a little game. It's called Name That Coin. Now, what coin am I? That's right, I'm a nickel. And I am worth how much? That's right, 5 cents. What coin am I? That's right, I am a penny, and I am worth 1 cent. What coin am I? I am a quarter, that is correct. And I am worth how much? 25 cents. What coin am I? That's right, I am a dime. And I am worth how much? 10 whole cents. And this is a video by Jack Hartman called The Money Song.
Jack Hartman! Kids Music Channel!
Penny, nickel, dime, quarter. Let's learn. Penny, nickel, dime, quarter.
That was a fun song. Gets you thinking. It's repetitive. It's good for our heads. Keeps us remembering things. Like, let's see what we have learned. A penny is worth, go ahead and say it, 1 cent. All right. A nickel is worth 5 cents. A dime is worth 10 cents. A quarter is worth 25 cents. All right. Now, we are going to see, does anybody have any questions about coins? Okay. Now, I have some fun facts that we can think about or have in our back pocket if we ever want to start talking about coins with somebody. All right. Coin collectors are out there everywhere. Coins used to be made up of mainly silver, and they are worth a lot of money now if they are, if people have them, find them, collect them. You will also come across coins like quarters that don't look like the quarter that we saw with the eagle on the back. Sometimes they have something else on the back. At one point they were making a quarter for every state, and the back of it was a symbol for that state. You will also come across 50-cent coins, dollar coins. If you want to collect, those are nice things to start collecting. Also, we are going to end this lesson with a worksheet. Now with this worksheet, I want you guys to put your name on the top of it. And then for the first part of this worksheet, you are going to take these coins on one side and match them to their value on the other side. Just draw a line. And then on the bottom portion, it's true or false. Now with this, if the statement is correct, you write a T for true because it's true. If the statement or this sentence is incorrect, wrong, you will write an F for false. If you need help with anything, please let us know. Just raise your hand. All right. And that is my lesson. Now, I added in extra activities in my lesson. My guided portion of my lesson, the guided practice is the name that coin, what coin am I game? Also, the building and separating of the coins. Helps get them used to them, understanding them, separating, and working together. I think those are important things for especially young kids. I liked putting the song in there because my kids, I have a second grader at home. He loves Jack Hartman, Danny Go, and Jack Hartman always has really educational songs. And just like this money song I found, I was like, you know what? It's so repetitive. It's good. It's educational, and you'll hear kids singing the songs later on. My independent independent practice is the worksheet. Now, I came up with this worksheet, and I like this worksheet just because it gives the kids a chance to do two different two different types of assessments, I believe. Matching and true or false. Now, this will let me be able to see if I was able to get across the information that I needed to get across. And hopefully I did. And if I did not, I will make adjustments. We will review, we will go over, and I'll make adjustments, possibly make a different type of assessment. I made this one as well. This is a simple, you would cut these out and match them up to each other. Like this would have 1 cent and a penny, 5 cents and a nickel. This could be another assessment. It also gets them using cutting and gluing, because even in first grade, kids have trouble with scissors. But that is my lesson, and my mini lesson, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Y'all have a great day.